Big villain sa isang big project. Gaganap bilang kontrabida si Alden Richards sa kauna-unahan niyang international film, a first in his 15 years sa showbiz.
It was never a hard decision for me to play because an antagonist role. I really wanted to venture on something that I've never done before. It's a lot of stunt preps, so I think that really contributed on how I was able to make John Lynch full circle.
Makakasama niya rito si Max Collins. Bigatin din ang co-stars nila. Pinagbibidahan ito ng English actor na si Luke Goss. Tampok din sina American actress and singer Catherine McNamara at actor Byron Mann na parehong napabilib ni Alden.
He's so fantastic in the film. I'm begging to do a film with him where we don't have to hate each other.
I just met him for the first time on set, kind of, right? So, and he was supposed to be the big villain in the movie. I just assumed that he was a bad man in real life.
This year, I am the CEO and founder of Sim. We sold 500 candles already. Unexpectedly. I got a condo investment. Wow! I won Best Actress again. Yeah.
Turning 27 on December 26, best year raw ito ni Sparkle star Ashley Ortega sa dami ng achievement at blessings. Bukod sa negosyo, may mga pelikula at upcoming projects pa si Ashley. Pero di lang niya na-celebrate ito alone dahil isang engrandeng birthday surprise ang inihanda ng kanyang fans. Marami ring na-achieve si Michelle D this year na kanyang ipinagpapasalamat. Sa 2026, may nakalinya siyang movie, series, at bagong songs. Mga wish at resolution naman for the new year ang ibinahagi ni na Barbie Forteza at Jake Vargas.
Less screen time. Medyo babawasan natin ang pag-check sa phone. Masyado niyang nakokonsume ang oras ko and hindi ako masyadong nagiging productive.
Sana matapos ang lahat ng mga problema sa mundo, yung iba, and sana world peace na.
And as a runner, regalo ni Barbie sa sarili ang isang treadmill. Habang si Jake, puno ng puso ang Pasko at excited na sa nalalapit na wedding nila ni Ina de Belen. Athena Imperial nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.